Today I got this other idea to take this old, I'm just using one of these oops ones that I forgot to put the berries in it. It's still really good. But this morning my inner chef suggested that I try this, and I'm going to go ahead and do two. And these have, well, you can't see on that one. Anyway, there's ground beef in these. Let me see if I can break one open. There. See? There's beef in there. And this is hollandaise sauce. It's a little thin that I whipped up, but that's okay. And we'll just kind of make, like, you know, a makeshift eggs Benedict. And hopefully that lemony sauce with the grapefruit muffin will all come together, and we'll give it a try. All right, let's give it a try. That's actually a little bit better than I expected. My inner chef is it's spot on with these, you know, what to make for different things. And one of the reasons why I really like it is because you know, I added extra lemon to the hollandaise sauce, and this particular muffin has grapefruit in it, and it just, the citrusy just kind of both goes together, and then it's sweet, and then it, yeah. We have another inner chef inspired winner. I could definitely make this for others. Be fun.